Beneath the soil so dark and deep, a golden root begins to creep. Once purple, white, or pale with grace, now orange shines in time and space. Did you know that carrots weren't always orange? In fact, they used to be purple, white, and even yellow. But how did we get to the bright orange carrots we know today? The earliest historical records of carrots are 4,500-year-old wild seeds from archaeological sites in Germany and Switzerland. The first time carrot roots are documented in the historical record are in the 10th century. From Persian lands so far away, to Dutchmen brightening their array, a tribute bold, a farmer's hand, brought sunset hues across the land. The earliest records trace them back to Persia and Afghanistan, where they were originally grown for their fragrant leaves and seeds, not their roots. Ancient varieties were deep purple, red, or white, and they weren't as sweet as the modern versions we enjoy today. The domestication of carrots for their edible roots began about 1,100 years ago in Central Asia, specifically in the region that is now Afghanistan, Iran, and Uzbekistan. Through selective breeding, early farmers gradually developed carrots with larger, more palatable roots.